Welcome. Today's class we are going to see grade 4, lesson number 1, Mary Abhilasha. My desire. My desire. Abhilasha, desire. Asha, Abhilasha. Abhilasha, desire. Mary Abhilasha. My desire. Or my wish. Wish, we say Kamna. Kamna, wish. Here, desire. Mary Abhilasha, my desire. So the poet gave the notes through the poem about the nature. How do we like a natures? And humans' natures, humans' characters. This all he poet portrayed through this poem. So children, you pitch the desire through these poems like that. Surajisa samakung my Surajisa samakung. Chamakna, chamakna, shine. Surajisa samakung my Surajisa samakung. I shine like a sun. I shine like a sun. How the sun like shining, such a powerful ways you to be shine. Tarum sa damakung my. Damakung. Damakung. Twinkle. These all mean the meanings box. Twinkle. Damakung my. My. Tarum sa damakung. I will twinkle like a stars. So children, you shine in your careers, in your studies, like a sun, and you twinkle like a stars in your sports, in your qualities, in your talent, skills, etc. Jalmal jalmal ujwal sant sa chamakum mai. Jalmal jalmal also meaning of twinkle or brightness. Ujwal, brightness, ujwal, brightness. I will twinkle. I will shine. Sorry, I will shine like a moon. Shine like a moon. Yeah, Mary Abhilasha, it is my desire. So the poet first stanza taken on nature elements of moon, stars, and sun. Suraj, sun, taro, tar, se, tar, wire, taro, stars. Taro, stars. Now, second stanza. Pulonsa magakumai. I give a fragrance. I give a fragrance. I be fragrance like a flowers. Fragrance like a flowers. Bihonsa. Bihag. Bihag is also in the meanings box. Bird. Birds. Chagakum mai kunjitkar ubavan. Koilsa kakakum mai. Kikakumka chagakum mai. I would like be a birds. Would like be a birds. And I will be murmuring. I will murmuring like a cuckoo. Like a cuckoo. Kunji murmur. Murmuring. Chilling. Crunching. Making a sound like a cuckoos. How the cuckoos make a sounds like that. I to be murmuring. That means I to be active. To be active like a coil. Mary Abhilasha. So this is my desire. That's the second sentence he said. Ulumsa Malkum. I will give a fragrance like a flowers, and I will be like a birds, and I will be make a sounds in the gardens, choir, cuckoos. It is my abhilasha. It is my desire. Our third stanza. Nab se nirmalta. Nab. Nab, sky. Nab, sky. Nirmalta, purity. Purity, clearance. She says, Sasi says, Sitarata. Sasi, moon. Sasi, moon. We already see one word. Chant. Chant also. Moon. Now, come to know the another one word. Sasi. Sasi also mean moon. Sitarata, chillness or cooling. Chillness. Sitarata, chillness. Dharti says Sagan Shakti. Dharti, earth. Earth. So I take a purity from a sky and a coolness from a moon and a tolerance from earth. Parvati says true to the strong, firm, true to the strong. ये मेरी अभिलाषा है. So it is my desire. So now go to the book exercise. Before go to, we once read the meanings. Abhilasha, wish. Abhilasha, wish or desire. Wish we say kamna. Desire, only right meanings. Abhilasha, desire. Suraj, sun. Chamakna, chamakna, shine. Tara, tara, star. Tamakna, sparkle. Ujjwal, bright. Mahakna, fragrant. Tihag, bird. Chahakna, chirip. Chahakna, chirip. Koyal, cuckoo. Nab, sky. Nirmalta, purity. Sasi, moon. Sitata, coolness. Dharti, earth. Shagan Shakti, tolerance. Parvat, mountain. Trupita, firmness. Strong. कभी किसकी तरह चमकना चाहता है? So here, circle the point the question word kiski. To whom the poet would like to shine. To whom the poet would like to shine. The poet like to shine like a moon. So song ki tarah. This is the answer. Rest of things we copy from a question. किसकी तरह जैसे सूरज और चांद. सूरज और चांद. कभी किसकी तरह महकना चाहता है. महकना, fragrant. महकना, fragrant. Which give the fragrance? Full. Flowers. The full on. There's a full on. कभी किसकी तरह महकना चाहता है. To whom the poet would like to fragrant. कभी fragrant like a flowers. कभी fragrant like a flower. कोयल की तरह. कोयल की किसको पूंजित करती है. किसको, कहाँ. Where the cuckoos sounds are, chirpings are. Where the cuckoos are murmuring. Where the cuckoos are murmuring. Cuckoos are murmuring in gardens. तो कोयल की कुक्कू कोयल की कुक्कू कूक वन भवन में. वन फॉरेस्ट. भवन गार्डन. भवन गार्डन. may, जी करती है। नेक्स्ट कवि आकाश से क्या लेना चाहता है? What do poet take from a sky? Akas, sky. We already know one word nabbu is changed in the questions. Kavi, what would like to take from a what the poet would like to take from a sky. The Kavi Akas se Kavi Akas se Nirmalta, purity. Nirmalta. Nirmalta लेना चाहता है। कवि किससे टूटता लेना चाहता है? To whom the poet would like to take a firmness, strong. किससे? कवि पर्वत mountain से from mountain. कवि take a strongness from a mountain. Firmness from a mountain. So कवि पर्वत से टूटता लेना चाहता है। ये किससे टूटता लेना चाहता है? कवि पर्वत से टूटता लेना चाहता है। Instead of the question words, you write the answer word. पर्वत से. Here also आकाश से निर्मलता. Instead of question words, you write a निर्मलता. Here the question words from Upavan में. Next one, you fill up yourself in the Brahma poems. Third one, true or false. कवि कोयल की तरह नाचना चाहता है. नाचना, dance. But कवि not like to. कवि like to dance like a koyal, cuckoo. Dance like a koyal, cuckoo. No. He want to tripping or making a noise like a koyal. कवि फूल also महकना चाहता है. कवि like to fragrant like a flowers. Yes, it's a right. Next, कवि शशि से रोशनी लेना चाहता है. कवि would like to take a shine, रोशनी, shine. Shine, शशि, कवि like to take a coolness from a moon. So this also wrong statement. Next is synonyms. सूरज, sun, सूरज, sun. One is a Surya and another one Bhaskar. Next, Chanda, Chanda, moon. One is a Sasi, Chandra, Chand. The king's words, they give a Chandra and Chand. Both are the given. Another one also, Sasi also can write. Sasi. Sasi also meaning is only. Dati. Dati. Dara. Dati. Dara. And Bhumi. Dati. Earth. Next, Parvat. Mountain. Mountain. Parvat. Giri. Giri. The Pahad. Giri. Pahad. Next, natural English meaning. Shashi. Moon. Koyal. Cuckoo. Suraj. Sun. Figure. Bird. Dhati. Earth. Tara. Star. Nab. Sky. If you want to improve your reading practice, I will provide one chart in the link. From the link, you can get it a chart. It will help you to improve your reading practice. Thank you. If you like these videos, like it, comment it, and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends.